Kelly and this is my sister Olivia. And in this experiment, we will be making a weather balloon. Today's experiment came from the James Dyson Foundation. For this experiment, we will need a glass jar, tape, scissors, a straw, a pen, thank you, and paper, and a band, and a balloon. Yay! Now it is time to follow directions. Cut the top off of a balloon and put it over the jar. It's pretty much the top. You can see right there. It's kind of like an opening. Can I help you? It actually really does. It feels weird too. Put a rubber band over the balloon to make it tight. Tape the straw onto the center of the balloon. Now hold the straw. That's good. Put the paper next to the straw and draw a line where the straw is. Please don't push it. Above the straw, write high. Or you can just remember it. And below the straw, write low. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. If the straw is higher than today, that means the pressure is higher than today. And if the straw is lower than today, the pressure is lower than today. We made a weather machine.